Greetings everyone, Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video we have a new microphone. This is the Tank 3 from Fifine. They sent this microphone for review, but money has not been exchanged, or they don't have any say how to make today's video. So as always, let me start with the box. As you can see, a little bit about the box. I wish they add maybe some color, change the box a little bit, because it's pretty generic and pretty boring in my opinion. But this is the Tank 3. In today's video you're gonna see unboxing. I'm gonna do the unboxing right now for you. Also, we're gonna try the microphone in 3 different locations. So I'm gonna try the microphone in the bedroom, in the living room, and also I'm gonna try the microphone in the studio here, which this is a treated studio. Also, we're gonna try the microphone outdoor. So we'll see how the sound is if you use this microphone outdoor, because I believe you're gonna use this microphone because this is a dual mode microphone, but I'm gonna give you the specs in a minute. And now let's show you what comes in the box. So when you open the box, you have this protective thing. Also, you have the user manual. We have 2.5 meter type A to type C cable, and we have the star of the show. So as you can see straight from the bat, this is a metal design with a mesh on the top, and this thing is heavy. This thing is around 550 grams, which pretty much makes it similar to the RE20 and the SM7B, which I have in other side. But overall, I'm super happy about the design of this microphone. It's a little bit heavy, which is a good thing. Let me give you a quick introduction about the layout. So here we have a mute button. So when the microphone is on, this will light green, indicates that the microphone is connected and is connected to your preferred device. Also, we have a type C here with the XLR combo, which this is very good, because if you decide in the future to use more professional gear, you can use this with the audio interface for more professional audio. We have a headphone jack to connect this microphone to a headset, because it's got monitoring, so you can check how you sound when you connect your headphones, which is very good. Also, we have 2 knobs here. One of the knobs is for the gain of the microphone when you connect this microphone to USB mode, so you can control the gain. The second knob is for the headset for monitoring, so you have a volume control and the gain control, which is very good. Something very good, which is amazing, I think they did brilliant job, is that the yoke actually is very good. I do like it, but the cool thing is that here inside you have the 3/8 and 5/8, so you don't need any adapter in order to connect this microphone to any boom arm, which this is brilliant. So for example, here underneath I need an adapter sometimes to connect SM7B or RE20. It doesn't matter which microphone, you need an adapter sometimes, because most of the arms, they don't have the adapter, so you need a 3/8 or 5/8 sometimes. But this is brilliant. So yeah, I think Fifine did very good job making this easy for us. But overall, the design is very good, and I do like the design. And yeah, it's heavy. It's got some weight, which is a good thing. And now let's start with the more important thing, which is the sound quality. And I'm gonna give you even more information about this microphone when we do the tests. So let's start now with the first test. And ladies and gentlemen, let's kick this portion of the video in the living room with this interesting test. So we'll hear if there's any difference if you record in a different environment situations. So you may record in your living room, you may record outside, in your bedroom. So this is going to give you different perspectives of the sound. As you can hear, this is the Tank 3 connected to an USB mode. You can see that this is connected to a USB mode by the green light that indicates that the microphone is connected. Also, I'm going to press the mute button in a second to hear if there's any noticeable clicks while you're pressing the button. But before that, let's check some of the plosive situations if you decide to record more professional sound with this microphone. Fifine Tank 3 has a built-in pop filter, which is a great choice, I believe, an idea. I believe most of the microphones, they should implement that in the future, because you can buy a pop filter, but I think you're gonna ruin the look of the microphone. I do like the stealth black accents with the mesh grill. I think it looks very neat and professional. But now let's try the plosives situation here now. So pineapple pizza with podcast, pineapple pizza with podcast, pineapple pizza with podcast, pineapple pizza with podcast, pineapple pizza Peter Parker with pineapple with pizza with podcast with pineapple and pizza. Pineapple pizza with podcast and pineapple and Peter Parker. So the reality is that you're probably not gonna talk like that. Obviously, if you do, you have to put like a pop filter. But the built-in pop filter, I think, is doing a brilliant job removing some of the plosives. So make sure to talk like this on an angle. So this is gonna give you the perfect sound spot to remove some of the plosives. And I believe this is doing a pretty good job. In my headphones, I don't hear any massive air. So pineapple pizza with podcast, pineapple pizza with podcast, pineapple pizza with podcast. So if you speak on a direction, I think this is going to be much better. And now let's press the mute button while I'm talking. So I'm going to press the mute button while I'm talking. So let's do that now. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the time button. So I'm back now. So let's press the mute. Let's go back now. I don't hear any noises, so you be the judge. Let me know in the comments below. So when you connect the microphone to a USB mode, you have two knobs. The first knob is for the gain control. Let me decrease it now, so we'll see if there's any difference in the tone. So this is the full max while you connect it to a USB mode. So let's decrease. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the Tank 3 connected to a USB mode. Go back now and let's make sure that this is connected, and let's increase the volume. Okay, this is better. So as you can see, this works pretty good. Also, the second knob is for the headphones. If you want to monitor your headphones, this is always on. So on USB mode, all this functionality works super cool, super fine, super easy. So we have the mute button and the two knobs, but this works only on USB mode. When you connect this to an XLR, all these functions will not work. So make sure you use this only while using on a USB mode. And now let's check the outdoor test with the Tank 3. So currently, as you can see, I'm outside, and we're gonna be quiet for a couple of seconds to hear how is the sound if you're outside. So if you decide to do some recordings outside, this is gonna give you some perspective, some idea if you record some podcasts, anything, if you decide to do that outside. And I'm gonna be quiet for a couple of seconds to hear if there's any noise around. All right, so as you can hear, pretty good. I think the Tank 3 has been pretty good with the noise. So let me know, what do you think about the Tank 3 outdoor test? And now let's test the Tank 3 in a bedroom. So this is gonna give you a different perspective sound. As you hear, probably the sound actually is very good. I can hear maybe a bit of echo, but this is a good thing, so it will give you the idea if you record in your bedroom. So I think Tank 3 is doing a pretty good job removing some of the background noise in the room. Overall, the sound test is very generic. We are still in a USB mode, as you can see the green light, and you may record in your bedroom for one or another reason. Maybe you don't have like a studio, maybe you have like a small desk, but this is the sound test in the bedroom with the Tank 3. And now the last test is gonna be the studio test, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Tank 3 connected to an XLR, connected to my Vocaster 1, and this is the sound straight from the box. No post-processing is being added yet. I'm planning to add some EQ in the minute just to hear if there's any difference if you decide to add some post-processing. But straight from the box, the sound quality is very decent, ladies and gentlemen. And this microphone is gonna cost you around $100 with a dual mode connectivity, USB XLR, built-in pop filter. I think this is a good choice for some of you. So let me know in the comments down below what do you think about the Tank 3 so far. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna add some EQ if we decide to add some post-processing in the future. But straight from the box, I do like the sound quality on a USB mode. So let's do that right now. And now this is the Tank 3 with EQ added with some post-processing. So let me know in the comments down below what do you think about the sound quality. I think with the EQ sounds even better, but without EQ I think you're gonna be okay. So let me remove the post-processing right now. And now this is without post-processing, so the sound quality actually is clear again, it's very decent. Let me add again some EQ. And now this is with the EQ. Straight from the box, I think you're not going to be disappointed. So let me remove the post-processing for now. I'm pretty happy about the sound quality of this microphone, so let me know in the comments below what is your thoughts. And again, thanks Fifine again for sending this microphone for review. Again, they didn't pay me to make this video. They just sent the microphone. They didn't have any say and input how to make this video. But overall, very happy. So if you consider this microphone, there will be links in the descriptions. So I'll see you in the next video.